Unlock the secrets to building a thriving online business in the United Arab Emirates with Shopify. First things first, setting up your online store. Navigate to the Shopify website and begin your free trial. Follow the intuitive prompts to enter your store name, address, and industry. Take your time customizing your theme to reflect your brand's unique identity, ensuring it resonates with the vibrant UAE market. Next, we tackle payment gateways, crucial for seamless transactions in the UAE. After exploring the Shopify App Store for integrated options, research local providers like Paytabs or Checkout.com to offer customers popular local payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, and often specific UAE bank transfers. Integrate your chosen gateway directly through your Shopify admin panel, following their specific setup instructions carefully. Shipping logistics demand a strategic approach in the UAE. Define your shipping zones within your Shopify settings, distinguishing between local deliveries in major cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi and wider Emirate coverage. Explore partnerships with reputable local courier services such as Aramex, Fetcher, or Emirates Post. You can often integrate their services directly with Shopify using available apps, streamlining your fulfillment process. Finally, understanding local regulations is paramount for long-term success. Familiarize yourself with the e-commerce laws set by the relevant authorities, such as the Department of Economic Development. This includes understanding consumer protection rights, data privacy regulations like the UAE's Federal Data Protection Law, and any product-specific certifications or import restrictions. Always ensure your store's terms and conditions and privacy policy are clearly displayed and compliant with UAE law. This diligent approach builds trust and ensures smooth operations within this dynamic market. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching a successful Shopify store in the UAE.